Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to solve a Leetcode question number 1403, minimum subsequence in non-increasing order. Given the array nums, obtain a subsequence of the array whose sum of elements is strictly greater than the sum of the non-included element in such subsequence. Fine. If there are multiple solutions, return the subsequence with minimum size, and if there exist multiple solutions, return subsequence with the maximum total sum of all its elements. A subsequence of an array can be obtained by erasing some elements from the array. Note that the solution with the given constraint is guaranteed to be unique. Also, return the answer in sorted in non-increasing order. So they are asking us to give a return an array in which they have given a condition like the array elements array length should be minimum, and also it should be greater than not greater than or equal to, it should be greater than the non-included part of that array. That's that we want to just pick some element. Fine. Let's just see some examples. See here. So this is the first example. First of all, what is mean by subsequence? For this example, I can say 4-3 is a subsequence, 4-8 is a subsequence, 4-9-8 is a subsequence, 4-10-8 as a subsequence, 10-8 as a subsequence, 3-9-8 as a subsequence, 3-10 as a subsequence. So subsequence is just delete some of the elements in an array and we get some of the remaining elements. Those are called as subsequence. Fine. So this is the definition of subsequence. They should not be, they may or may not be contiguous. Okay. There is no such rule that there should be only contiguous one. Fine. Now, take this example. In this example, here the subsequence 10 and 9 and 10 and 8 are minimal such that the sum of the element is strictly greater than the sum of the element not included. Okay, just assume what is the sum. Just say what is the sum. 4 plus 3 7, 17, 17 plus 9 it is 26, 26 plus 8 it is 34. So it is 34. Fine. Now 34 minus 10 minus 9, which is equal to what? Which is equal to 24. 24 minus 15. Fine. And then what is the value of 10 and 9? It is 19. So 19 is greater than 15, right? Right. So we can take 10 and 9. Okay. Let us take 10 and 8. The value is 18. And when we minus 34 with 10 minus 8, I will get the answer as what? 16. So 18 is greater than 16. So it can be my part of my answer. So these two can be my part of my answer. But which has a maximum total sum? 10 and 9 has a maximum total sum. So take that. Fine. This is what the question states. Now let's take another example. Just listen carefully. In this we can take 7 7. Okay. First of all, what is the total sum? Total sum is 8. 8 plus 7 15. 15 plus 6 it is 21. 21 plus 8 28. Sorry, 21 plus 7 it is 28. Right. Now minus 7 7. 7 plus 7 which is 14, which is equal to 14. But whether this 14, this 7 plus 7 is greater than the result? No. Here is the question. We should want strictly greater element. Strictly greater element. But it is equal to. It is equal to 14. So I want to take what? 7 6 7. Here this value 7 6 7. So I have to return what? 7 7 6. So this should be my result. Now how to approach this problem? Okay, first of all, let us see one by one condition. First condition is we want to pick elements such that the sum of the element is strictly greater than the sum of what? Not non-included element. Non-included element. So this is the first condition. And what is the second condition? The second condition is by picking those elements, the most important step is we want to get the minimum length. We want to get minimum length. So this is my second condition. So these are the two conditions. So whatever the element if I pick, I will get the minimum length. Okay, I want maximum sum with min length. Min length. Then I want to take more and more max elements. I want to take more and more max elements. Yes. So to take max element, how should be my array should be placed? If initially take this array 4, 3, 10, 9, 8. 4, 3, 10, 9, 8. Just take this element. If I sort this element, let's just sort it 10, 9, 8, 4, 3. If I sort the element in decreasing order, I can say first I want to take this 10, then I want to take this 9, then if the sum is not sufficient, I want to take this 8 by 1 by 1. Just assume we just want max sum with what? Min length. So I want to take maximum elements first. So the maximum element is 10 first, then 9, then 8, then I want to go 1 by 1. Now let us see the same algo with the example. See here, just I take the same example 10, 9, 8, 4, 3. So what is the sum now? Sum is, I have calculated that right, 34. So 34 is my sum. Now I am in the first position. It is 10. Whether 10 is greater than 34. Sorry, whether 10 is 34 minus 10 which is equal to 24. Whether 10 is greater than 24. No, no. So again, go here. Add 9 to 10. Now again, minus 9 which is equal to what? 15. Now these both sum is what? 19, right? Whether 19 is greater than 15. Yes, it is greater than. Just return it. Just return what? 10 and 9. They are asked us to return what? Non-increasing order, which means decreasing order. Fine. That's all. That's all about the code. Yes. Let us see the coding part. Nums dot sort of reverse is equal to true. First I am sorted in the decreasing order. Then s is equal to sum of nums. This I am taking the summation of the all elements in the nums. Then result is equal to this empty array. Then is equal to 0 for I in range of len of nums. T plus is equal to nums of t. I am taking the track of the each and every elements, right? Just keeping on the summation of each and every elements. Result dot append of nums of I. Whenever I am adding some elements, I just append that element in my result. If t is greater than s minus t, that is, if here as of now here I got 19. If 34 minus 19, yes, this is equal to 15. If my current sum 19 is greater than this 15, then I want to return, right? So that's why I'm just returning the result. Fine. So this is what this is the code. Let me submit it. So it is submitted successfully. Now let us talk about a time complexity and space complexity. What is the time complexity? Time complexity is O of n log n, because I'm sorting, right? Yes. Then additionally I have a O of n, but overall it is O of n log n. Fine. Now what is the space complexity? I can say space complexity is O of n because the merge sort inbuilt sorting function takes a additional space. So I want to write O of n. Fine. So this is the solution. Thank you.